Good day everyone, it's Brightest Life. Today we will share with you 36 rules to teach your daughter. 1. Make your bed every day, even if it's right before you get in it. 2. Don't wear holey underwear, in case you're in an accident and they cut your clothes off. 3. Travel light through life. Keep only what you need. 4. It's okay to cry when you're hurt. It's also okay to smash some things, but wash your face, clean your mess, and get up off the floor when you're done. You don't belong down there. 5. If you're going to curse, be clever. If you're going to curse in public, know your audience. 6. Seek out the people and places that resonate with your soul. 7. Just because you can, doesn't mean you should. 8. 5-second rule. It's just dirt. There are worse things in a fast food cheeseburger. 9. Happiness is not a permanent state. Wholeness is. Don't confuse these. 10. If you're staying more than one night, unpack your bag. 11. Never walk through an alley alone. 12. Be less sugar, more spice, and only as nice as you're able to without compromising yourself. 13. Can't is a cop-out. 14. Hold your heroes to a high standard. Be your own hero. 15. If you can't smile with your eyes, don't smile. Insincerity is nothing to aspire to. 16. Never lie to yourself. 17. Your body, your rules. 18. If you have an opinion, you better know why. 19. Practice your passions. 20. Ask for what you want. The worst thing they can say is no. 21. Wish on stars and dandelions, then get to work to make them happen. 22. Stay as sweet as you are. 23. Fall in love often. Particularly with ideas, art, music, literature, food, and far-off places. 24. Fall hard and forever in love with nothing but yourself. 25. Say please, thank you, and pardon me, whenever the situation warrants it. 26. Reserve I'm sorry for when you truly are. 27. Naps are for grown-ups, too. 28. Question everything, except your own intuition. 29. You have enough. You are enough. 30. You are amazing. Don't let anyone ever make you feel you are not. If someone does, walk away. You deserve better. 31. No matter where you are, you can always come home. 32. Be happy and remember your roots. Family is everything. 33. Say what you mean and mean what you say. 34. No one will ever love you more than I do. 35. Be kind, treat others how you would like them to treat you. 36. If in doubt, remember whose daughter you are and straighten your crown. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, Brightest Life. Till our next video.